Hey guys, we are on to another topic, and this topic is going to be on ManyChat automation strategy. So as I mentioned earlier, what ManyChat actually is, it's a marketing tool that you can use to automate your Facebook messages, guys. So what happens is when you after you link your Facebook profile, and if you run a ad on your product, then if someone clicks on your ad link, then what happens is the person who clicks your ad link will automatically get message on Messenger, guys. So this is the beauty of ManyChat automation, guys. So as we click on example bots here, you can see we can use it for various purposes, guys, like selling product, qualifying leads, sending coupon codes to our customers, taking reservations, collecting contact information, and much more, guys, as you can check it out here. But the thing we need is selling our products and sending our coupon codes. So the next let's see is integration, as they have integrated with many of the top tools and websites, as Google said, Shopify, Zapier, and much more. And if you feel difficult to do anything regarding ManyChat, then you can go to this free course. Then you can click on the start button, and you can see ManyChat has provided a video course for you. If you find anything difficult to related to ManyChat, and as you can see, there are lots of videos that instructs you what you can do and how you can do. So the main thing we will be needing is looking at this video, session ads with Ad Manager and ManyChat to run our ads, and you can check this out what you need here. So this first are the basics ones. These are the basics ones. You can check this out on their free course tab, guys, and let's check their pricing. As they have two plans, free and pro, guys, you can check this out. You can just start with their free plan, and after getting those initial customers, you can upgrade to the pro version, and it will cost you around $10, depending on the size of your audience. As you can see, this around 500 people, they will charge $10, and 15 people, 15 those who click on your ads, around 500 subscribers, they will charge you around $10. So, and if you get more than 500, then they will charge you $15 per month. 500 people on your ManyChat automation campaign, those on Facebook Messenger, guys, and it depends according to the size of the people, guys. As you can see, size of the people that you have on your ManyChat automation. So after getting all this, you can check their free course also if you find something difficult regarding ManyChat. And after doing all this thing, we can click here on the get started free button. So after clicking on that link, ManyChat will bring you to this page. So it will be in your first page. You have to connect your Facebook profile, you have to log in with your Facebook, and after that you will come to describe the company button. Here you have to describe a little about yourself and your company. What describes best to your role? Let's choose solopreneur, and if you are a complete beginner, then you can choose that one. And what describe best with setting up marketing campaigns, then as you are a beginner, then you have to just click on beginner and I'm just starting, or either you can choose basic email campaigns and automated funnels. But if you are a beginner, then I recommend you choosing I'm just starting. So the next will be, how did you hear about ManyChat? You can, if you had heard from someone else, then you can choose as a friend or a colleague, or as I'm mentioning you this chatbot, you can click on this, a marketing or industry expert, guys. So this is just basic ones, and you have to hit on continue button. Then you have to connect your Facebook page, guys, the one that we created for our product. So after you select your Facebook page that I have mentioned you earlier in my previous, using Facebook to dominate video, so that way you can create your Facebook page, and after creating that Facebook page, you can select that page in your setup account. So after that, you will come here to this choose your marketing goals tab, and here you can see, will this account be used for an actual business? Yes, this will be used for an actual Amazon FBA business. So you have to select a description, then you have to choose on e-commerce, as we are selling our product on Amazon FBA. Then you have to select physical products, digital or physical products. Then we have to choose physical products. Then what e-commerce platform do you use? Here you have to choose Amazon. Then what type of message are you going to send from ManyChat? You can click for Facebook Messenger. Are you creating this account for a client? Yes, I'm setting this. No, you have to leave this button, as we are setting this for ourselves. So after finishing all this thing, we have to hit on continue button. So guys, then from here you can use your ManyChat and set up all this ManyChat automation, this thing, guys. So if you find any difficulty in creating this setting up this accounts, then you can go to ManyChat free course there, and from there you can learn the best way possible and check out what this ManyChat actually is, guys. So hope you guys got idea on how you can create up your account and what ManyChat actually is. So guys, I'll be seeing you in my next topic.